Good afternoon, everyone. This is Matt over at MilestoneCapitalGrowthPortfolio.com. Today is Thursday, July 24th. Hope everyone had a great day today. Sure was wild for members. We cashed out huge on ISRG, UA, and several others that we've been planning out for quite some time. In the video tonight, for the members video, there's about 15 on there that we're actually in the process of, and they're all doing well. So if you're not a member, join up, check out that video. Very lucrative. And join us in chat tomorrow. It'll be on the email, so just join up. One-time fee for a lifetime membership. Can't beat it. All right, let's take a look at a few stocks here that could produce some potential for you here. AAP we want to start with, Advanced Auto Parts, and then we're going to do AZO. So a couple of car parts bottoming out, potentially bottoming out. We're going to look at the trend line to the downside right now and what the potential move would be for the upside. All right, what I like to do is take the top of the candles and do it that way. It's been in a nosedive, so you can run this way also. That's your other option. So when you're planning this out, you can see what you're doing, when you're doing it, and making sure it's going to break that trend. There's two trends right now. There's that trend and that trend. Let's fix this up here, and then we'll straighten this out. All right, so you have right now basically two trends right here, and this coincides with the 50-day moving average. So if we can break the 50-day moving average, and this one's going to be golden and probably rocket right back up to this area right here. So that's what you want to keep an eye on. If you can plan this out the best of your ability, then do so for sure. Why is that color? Let's turn this red. All right. So if you can plan it out, it really helps you. You know what you want to do. But it's gonna be in a downtrend until we break this line. That's for sure. And even though we're still in a downtrend with this line, you still have all this room in here to make some money on. So that's how you want to plan it out. But first, you want to get through. You want to confirm that this is going to be a double bottom. But being over the 100-day moving average, it should be pretty solid here. You use that as your stop if you're going to keep a stop. Definitely use the 100-day moving average because that's your support. Unless you want to come all the way down here to this double bottom here and have that confirmed, that's going to be your support. But relative strength index is at 30. It's very low right now. So this could be either a dead cat bounce, or we're going to start getting aggressive and move to the upside because this candle is pretty big. So, and nice volume did come into this. So you want to keep an eye on this for a further move to the upside. And I think we have that potential to break out here and move higher. So keep an eye on AAP. You know where your stops are. All right, AZO also. Let's take a look at that one. AutoZone. All right, car parts. Double bottom in place right now, and you don't really have anything until this big cluster up here. So you have 530 from 514, $15 move. It caught a little bit of resistance from this candle right here today. If we can get over that tomorrow, then the only things in the way right now is the 520. So AZO looks like it's going to get going to the upside too. Could get to the 530 area. Nice volume came into this today. Nice solid candle back inside the Bollinger Bands, looking real nice. So this could do a $15 move. If you're playing options, plan it out. Give yourself some time. Give yourself a month or so, and work with it that way. Don't do weeklies. Those are pretty dangerous, but you can if you'd like. I'm not a broker, so do whatever you want. ININ, we like this one here. There's two really nice gaps on this, and we're gap fans, so we want to keep an eye on that whole gap thing. You have this first stage here that should be getting filled. This is a beautiful move to the upside, nice slow consolidation, and broke out of this candle right here, and now you're starting to trend to the upside, which is nice, and get this gap closed. You'll be right at the 50-day moving average and the middle Bollinger Band. So expect this first area to be closed, and then move up, consolidate, then move up and get this next area up here at 61. Okay, so that's what that's the plan on ININ. The next one's going to be JMEI. JMEI is looking really nice here. There's a beautiful trend to the upside. This is a recent IPO, if I'm not mistaken, and it just has this top right here. That's all we have, and nice trend to the upside over the middle Bollinger Band. Nice volume coming into it. Broke these double candles right here, so there's nothing stopping it to go here. Test that, and if it gets over this will act as support. So look for this to be broken at around 31.57, 31.60, somewhere in that area, and that should be your new support line for JEMI. So keep an eye on that one. It looks really, really nice for a good move here. JEVA, knock out a couple more here. JEVA, we have a nice bottom right here and a nice gap right here at 102, $25 away. We just have to get through the 200-day moving average and then this cluster here, but the trend should be starting to turn to the upside. As long as volume keeps coming into this, the relative strength index is at 26, so higher lows every single day is what you want to see. And as that keeps curling and moving, it could get more aggressive. So keep an eye on GEVA, and maybe the shorts will have to cover, and we'll get some big candles. All right, FUEL will be the last one for today. FUEL. Whoops. Try that one more time. Fuel, there it is. All right, we're getting ready to break the 50-day moving average and the middle Bollinger Band. Once it crosses here, you can expect this to definitely come up and test this area 31, in between 29 and 31, and maybe even spike up to this 100-day moving average here. But it's definitely higher low, which we'd like to see. We have a low here and then a higher low here. And we can just get a nice turn now, and this one can move right back up again. One thing I want you to take note of for a long-term hold, if everything goes fine with the company from the fundamental side, is we have a gap up here at 65, and all gaps get filled at one point or another. Just asked ISRG, it ran 130, 150 points for us. So that was a beautiful play, 2 months options. And some very lucrative cash there. So all gaps do get filled. We just have to plan them out properly. And that's what we do in the live chat room and on the member videos. We plan them out and we teach you how to do it yourself. So now you have finding and playing with them. So if you're not a member, become a member today. This is Matt over at MilestoneCapitalGrowthPortfolio.com. Have yourself a great night, and we will see you in chat tomorrow. Be there.